We heard you. Your wish is our command. I'm Chef Max Nadin. Let's do Donburi 2. I'm excited to share with you the recipes I learned during my years in Japan. Katsu Curry, it's one of the well-known food in Japan. Every corner in Japan, you'll see curry fast food. Normally, it goes with hot steamed rice or udon noodles with pork or beef and veggies. For the Japanese, it's a quick bite for lunch or dinner. Steak Teppanyaki with ponzu sauce. Teppan dishes are cooked using an iron plate, meat, seafoods, and noodles. Served with variety of sauces in Japan, also known as tare, such as the ponzu sauce. The flavor is bright, savory, and tangy. They even serve it in some teppan resto as their condiments. It really goes well with the seared steak compared to thick gravy. Ponzu is light and has very pleasantly strong and unique taste. They even just with a small dip, you can really taste it. Karagi don. Karagi don is a household name in Japan. For me, it's one of the best fried chicken in the world. It has hit for everyone, especially the young people. When you order this in a normal restaurant, they serve this in a very small plate, cut into small bite-sized pieces. They're very juicy, tasty, and crispy. The process involves lightly coated small bite-sized pieces of the chicken. Fried in light oil, the chicken is marinated well prior to coating to make it super tasty. The karagi is often served alone or with rice and shredded cabbage and mayo as your dip with a dash of togarashi. Yakisoba. Yakisoba is this fried noodle dish with meat, veggies like cabbage and carrots tossed in a thick dark sweet sauce. It looks simple, but the taste is so good, guaranteed to be a mainstay in your menus. Chahan. Chahan is also known as Yakimeshi. It's Japanese fried rice prepared with egg and other ingredients and seasonings. Chahan is a staple food in homes in Japan. In other words, you don't need ulam. It is already loaded. It's a meal in itself. I'll see you in class, dito lang sa the Bailiwick Academy.